Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are liking the readings, resonating with the readings. Do leave a comment and do like the channel, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. So today I have taken another set of my cards. I think I have never brought these cards into reading, so I thought why not, let's take it today. I think okay, there's a Deviant Tarot, Moon Tarot. The first card which has come today is the beautiful card of Sun. So I think the day is going to be bright and enjoyable. Maybe when you see the cards closer, you might wonder the based on the images, but overall if you see, I see the sun and I see the sun's rays falling on the people who are standing there. At the same time, I feel maybe you will be meeting someone who is influential, or you will be going for an interview where you will be interviewed by a person who is very strong and who is, you know, more on the authoritative or the powerful side, and you will feel happy that it was a good connect or a good sort of a conversation between the two of you. So I feel in that way it is going to be a good and a bright day for those who are attending interviews or those who are going to meet someone in the authoritative field. Overall it's a bright day. Overall it's a day of success, it's a day of beautiful energies. But let's see, let's pick one more card and see what is coming. Okay, the next card is the Queen of Cups. So now again let's go closer. You are trying to handle things in the emotional level, but I think you're also at times giving up and getting upset over how things are working, and sometimes you feel, are you on the right track? But if you see the cup which you're holding, you are taking care of it that it doesn't spill. Even if it is spilling, it spills in the hand. So don't worry, you are in control of your situation. Even if it is related to your previous card where you've gone for an interview or you have asked a help from a senior authoritative person, not knowing whether you will get the reply, I feel things will happen. You will get the answers that you're getting for today. Overall is a day of I feel meeting someone who will create a pathway in your life in the long run, and also a day of brightness, a day of success, a day overall where whatever you desire will happen. Today in the morning, I think most of you all will still be having Ganpatis at home. So if you have the Ganpati at home, then burn a lamp near him and sit in front of him and just chant his mantra. Even if you don't have the Ganpati, just sit somewhere where you'll not be disturbed. Close your eyes and chant Om Gam Ganapati Namaha 108 times. And today, the color has to be yellow because it is the sun which has come. So focus on yellow color, wear yellow color. Also, if possible, in the evening, once you're back home, sit in a place where you will not be disturbed and close your eyes and just intend and tell the universe what you desire and ask the universe to guide you towards it, and I'm sure the universe will give you the best answers. But overall, a day of happiness and brightness. Have a blessed day ahead. Thank you.